Hi viewers, welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see about how to change the default backup location of GitLab on Linux 120. First, we will see about short intro of GitLab. GitLab is free and self-hosted web-based repository manager. It's used to create and edit new projects and merge finished code into the existing projects, and also used to intermediate of the server and user. In this tutorial, we'll explain about change the default backup location on GitLab. First, I am going to check the version of OS. Now I am moving into configuration procedure. For that I am going to create a directory in any location. The directory is created. Now open the GitLab configuration file and remove the default storage location and add the new location in the configuration file and save it. Now search for backup location. Quit and save the file. Now reconfigure the GitLab service. Once the reconfiguration is complete, now create a backup by executing the following command. Once the backup is complete, now go to the new created GitLab backup location. The GitLab default backup location is changed. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.